Mbebona muno mwanjo morigiro Ndizi TV andonsi asobe thani go charagire Chinsa Isano Ibere chiringo chigokwaria ni asemesa ya mangana Amayia na twasangiruria kete goikabone bana gotebina ni go chabire Chinsa Isano Ibere bana bona to kwaria ni mangana Amayia bana atekiru chinkongo inye Chinsa iri anyimo chana sugusu erinde bwimanyi na rende tegwatukeme na isku ya usekra bali kwete basokire skali ende gotwaria na ototaina na ralia gende tekorekana ime na isku ya usino kubolkana na ikaranso ike ende nkwerere na kotaina na ralia ya atekiru Chinsa mecho ao ime na isku ya usinyona na bako na otobwati sensemo ya mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News yoko nyora chingaki na bako tweet @Ndizi TV News wega karengel kiao ni gotokia ntikirensa kiretega wetira sinamba eyira siskini yago na kubolio bena inje goikomwelio karatori na Joshua utakurwa sensemeri yo mundu wemonyerelio Abigail nyanja monero kwene kuna gochiri wetira sensemeri ende ye studio chibichamo na mariogi amana inje ngo yaretara gocha sore Brighton Makori. Chinsa Isano Ibere nituga cha korwa sensemeri ya nyacheki asibono ya mateyemo korwa sekinyuru kanya byosi ime ya nyacheki ward karigo sabobo konyi iriyo komwenia oyo mwabonyarega kwa gwetera ekranyarega ko basinyagitari gosomo beroye ni gotangira sinyagitari ya Cobut Hospital ase County Nairobi korengana barabo nigo e bill ere ya 1.8 million asebana banyarire bakoboria basamaria bayagwe soki riko bakonya anechibese chinde banyare bakoreta umubero nyagosira ende banyare bakonyo ni asensemiyo ya nyabyosi nyanjeki deturengwa kia mate ya nyareke okwana ekaromori kwita misa andereta utobate nganerio asensemiyo ya nyabyosi
muro minto orarwarire amatuka mange twetire chinyagitari chinyinge twaetananire twarosiro mwali otumukire chinyagitari twaetire una mamarusi twaetire nyagitari ko Nairobi West pako chire gusirira Coptic Hospital Nairobi ase pirie nene mono yarenge chi milioni 2.3 twaetananire bairi abasani twanyorire chibasa chiri chinke so uwezo ya bantu batokonya twanyorire elibumi asita chioka jitwakanire chinde cha sinyire
umwana uyu minto berire uruware mutuka mange nandi muna ruware mutuka mange family yiga ise na mama mwa bakwete mbayo abana bamwe barororo bari kwinyara abayi twatemire gwita asabasani asegwapi nono mwemisi otemire kutubwatesia nduraikira kindi yonse
Finago semeri wito buna basamaria baya ngweso kibale banyare bakuruchi bese rinde ya mateyo nerenyare kwalete yo mwabo emweni asensemiyo ya nyabyosi gotoka sebunge ya nyaribali ya ebunge ya babasi ase wodi ya nyakikoto uskabosene dogo ikase county Nyamira azebono murugi bw'umugabana we county yo emiri nyariba nyare kago cyake muroberyo bwo kwenekuna abantu ngorengu bare oborwiri bwa kansa asensemeye korengana nere ekarajaki umuroberyo yo asensemeri yekerenyo nigobana nyarega kobori abamenyi be county ya Nyamira we sokya na okaruo bolingoli inde bamanya ebirengo byababwate gosimba bwatu burwiri bwa kansa elindario montara nyoro bubweni bwa mapema
of screening new methods of treatment, and also as you go around with your duties, use your mouth. Today I am wearing a scrub. I am not a doctor. This is courtesy of Matibabu Foundation, and the scrub that we wear today as first spouses is for us to add our voice to the rest of the healthcare workers that we need to get screened, and cervical cancer has to be caught early, and it is possible for us to stop cervical cancer. So therefore, Matibabu Foundation, thank you so much. The acronym on the scrub that I'm wearing is WOMAN, meaning Word of Mouth Advocacy Network.
Ase oroboti urubono rurase county ya Nyamira muri kwito job mangi akomanyibuna asomoroberio yose programu yigendeta sensemeyo abagumen lep ose first lady korwa se county ya Trans Nzoia, Kericho na Busia amoneri ya Kisumu no bari ase moyegoyo ogendete kwariganirwa no first lady bwe county ya Nyamira Emiri Nyaribo go muri gito cha mangi na ndete tubatiro roboti orukorwa se county iyo ya Nyamira aikarto kusuka bosio ni gobono abara ikorwa sorongo rwa Gusii bakorawa no muwasiri bwe gisemi se kirima jogu aburi tukuregoro bamotarirete omokonyi bumurai bwense katika shawa ase kerenge kamo yokoro tutamagendra reta kerego korwa sorongo rwa Gusiga kwana asense meyo omokonyi bumurai bwense katika shawa na atete na Gusii ni genyoire no murai bwense na chakore taro yaye gocha sorongo rwa Gusii.
We want to move on as a country, and it is the intention of the president that we go together with the Kisii people. You know he has been there countless times akijaribu kutafuta urafiki na uhusiano mzuri na watu wa Kisii, and that will continue.
Omowasiri o trade Moses Kuria niga tebire bunense ya Kenya ni chikogendera kubotana na kubotana na gati ye Chinsa jirije European Union eri kwene kunebire ngo byobonjori ngo kinabire asense ya Kenya gakoya kwana ayo asiri tukura lero asomo yega oyereta mense ya Kenya na United Union European Union ni gobono batebiruna ene arenjera yamo yogosiro bonjori asense ya Kenya.
Partnership between Kenyan business and European business. So what I am expecting is that at the end of the business forum today, we are opening a deal book, and Ambassador here is going to work with the Principal Secretary to open this deal book. Please, as I've told the delegation from France, ensure that all your partnerships, all your investments get its way into the deal book. And my commitment is that for all opportunities that are going to get into the deal book, I and my ministry will be able to follow up on a granular individual basis. So we do not see you as 250 or 500 businesses. We see you as individual businesses, and we are going to actually be your agent to follow up on all these opportunities on an individual basis. Finally, is on the issue of the economic partnership agreement. EU Director Dora, who is around here, when she came to see me last December, I promised her one thing. The next time she comes to Kenya, I will confiscate her passport. And I've actually done that. And what I've told Dora is that I am only giving you your passport when we conclude all the topics under our economic partnership agreement.
Omurai bwenze Dr. William Ruto nero yukirana segi kare kyo kiarete amense ya Kenya na European Union nigateruna bona bonjori asense ya Kenya go sense ya Kenya kimaneta kereko yenjera yokobeke miroberi yogokora omochando bugonjori likwerire iyeire na koirani obokorari bubonjori asense ya Kenya ka kwana nigateruna bono go ikabantu bajikubwate chinjera chekerero erikwene kibuna omochando bubonjori likwerire origereriwe.
Where we are today with the kind of weather and climate change situation that we face, or we take a new trajectory on the path on green growth. That is the option humanity is faced with today. And as business leaders, it is important for you to analyze where the future is. Is the future in coal-powered growth, or is the future in green growth? I think the choice is rather obvious. It is not possible, it is not prudent, it is not moral, it is not right to continue the path of coal-powered, fuel-powered growth, because it poses an existential threat not just to Africa, to the globe.
Voigo abara ikorwa sense meyo ya European Union abaramuni obatero nambachiko gendra go sirense ya Kenya aneka batete no bwamate bwense yo go seba European Union ni amana Kenya nigo bogendete go tingamono igo nigo barachiko konyo bonjolya sense ya Kenya.
We have worked with Kenyan partners to support transformation of private and public investment across this country for the last 47 years. And during that time, we have provided more than 1.6 billion euros for investment only here in Kenya. Our engagement has benefited millions of Kenyans through support for better access to clean water, affordable energy, enhancing ports and harnessing wind and solar power and geothermal energy. Over that time, EIB has also supported investment by thousands of Kenyan entrepreneurs and companies across the country, and this mostly in partnership with leading Kenyan financial institutions. This includes our largest ever support for the blue economy, business financing, and dedicated backing for investment by companies led by women, crucial for economic development and financial inclusion.
Ensemo ya banasiasa kurwa ensemo ya bokamba nigo bono bamochirio murai bwekiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka anekarwate abuna Kalonzo atigeko bangaina buna magendo tari gotoka sensemero samagajo a state of scoring barawo ni watena uika abarai bonso banyari bakubwaterana na barai barobi siria magendo korekana no na sensemeyo ya bokamba yani gagoje karo Kalonzo nyara ka gotwara umusangano amona barai bali bachode gutera sikiama kia Wiper asaba teibuna mbaso asomo wa Kenya Kwanza.
If you want to go to the treasury to lobby for a project in Kitui or Machakos or Makueni, then definitely you need the CS treasury to approve. You need other offices to endorse. How are they going to give us development without visiting the offices that have those services?
Kenya wale ambao wana maono wanajua Samuel Ruto atadumu katika nje ya serikali miaka 10. Wakamba hatuwezi kuvumilia miaka 10 tukiwa nje ya serikali.
We shall continue to mobilize our people so that the president's plan and our region's economic blueprint are implemented to the benefit of our people.
Omokonyi bo county commissioner Obura East Thomas Ibere nigo banathena babekire miroberio yo kwenekana ngokora barobosagani asensemeyo ekerateruna none skuru njira igorwa kubatikana obosagani wendete kwenekiwa senseme yasaba uri abamenyina bono nire byababwaterane gokora obosagani asensemeyo.
Sasa ni jukumu letu kama wakaazi wa Fafi kuhakikisha kwamba tunaweka area zetu salama. Wale majangili ambao wanatusumbua wale wa Al-Shabaab tumepanga mikakati na wazee juzi na tunajua kwamba tutaweka area yetu iwe salama, watoto wetu waende shule na walimu wetu tupate walimu wengi ili area iwe salama, tupate maendeleo mengi.
Karotosika bosioni gobono mobunga osuna West Bita Masara terebuna nerebuya kwene kiunense ya Kenya ngosukere bosio ekerate na barabekaro barasomo bwasimio ra umoja nigo batagete buna bachukosuka bosio ekero onde bwenza takerigo chenjiri chiko lienze ya Kenya kaukwana nigate na barabu mbasarege dimotu ekero barasomo bwasimio ra umoja wa Kenya.
You have seen for yourselves that the people of Suna West have sent signals that they want to protect whatever is in the constitution. They want CDF to continue being disbanded. They want the county government, that the whole unit, to be protected. We want the Bill of Rights in the constitution to be protected as indicated in the constitution. Therefore, we are saying as the members of Asimio, we are not mad people. Time will come when our great-grandchildren will ask us that when constitution was being mutilated, where were you? They will ask us, where was the devolution which people fought for? Some people died, people like Dr. Diambombai, for we to get devolution. The grandchildren will ask us, where is CDF? They will ask us, where is the Bill of Rights? What will we answer them? That's why we have decided, as the leadership of Azimio, they pass a resolution that we must protect what belongs to Kenyans. People at State House will come and go, but Kenya will remain a country. Therefore, whatever gains we have gotten.
Ekaro kurwa sense minito kwenda wikase county yo mabeya somoga bana bwe county yigiradi ziwanga anyareka osanyareka kwenda bali kibamangana semambia boniga ali aroberedi okorase county yo anene go sira basubati amo no mwana omonyaruka.
I had a conversation with you. I think as Homa Bay we are hoping to celebrate the International Women's Day and put menstrual hygiene and dignifying our girls and women at the center of it. And we do hope that this is an area that we could probably partner with the program. And also on 21st of March, we have what we call the Governor's Mentorship Camp It is a program that I started when I was still woman rep. I used to call it Mama County Says, which brings together up to 4,000 girls from all our schools. And we bring in mentors and we talk to them. We have group work in the morning and plenary in the afternoon. So it's really one-on-one mentorship with the girls, and we'll have it. And we also hope that we can make menstrual hygiene also at the center of it, and also if it's a program that probably could be, an area of partnership and of advancing.
Omwajumurira yunara arenga Chinsa Isano Ibere korende ntwende kukubatira mange nara kongeraga igakorende mbaendete nagendete kubwatiwa buno musaje yo monarobekirwe byara anenekero yakagirana nigatakire kuba tibonga gose kuba kurura abana baye babere konde linganerio nigarite nandigendete kubwatiwa no muri kwitoyomo kurwasigata seni gitu kya Ndizi TV iwakiringaneri tokori manya ndojigo goikeria boikiranu ngakiranya rigo korekana ekarondo cy'abantu bakargontomera cya SMS abaode abura nigo bayichanire korwekyo korengana barbo nigo badana umusaje oyo obe kubyara nigo umurugyo asira ewikeria nande wikinjira yaranga isato gesaba tuguta umurugyo aye gose bamweni umurugyo aye linganerio tande ukoribwateria ekarondo cy'umwantumira manganayo ndende kujya bwateya tumanye ngakenda dokorekana imena isiko ya Gusii na arayo twakora na Chinsa Isano Ibere korene kukubona genda kubwati Ndizi TV na rubonso Gusii ekero okubwati merobereto ya credit kunyana nabo tubwati asense mu mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital inensema ya Facebook YouTube ni gotonyora Ndizi TV News okonya jinga kito tweet Ndizi TV News konde karanga kyao ni gotokyara ntikirenza gireta kwetera se namba rasiskine gora buchoshwa uta nero nekuna achire kwetera sense meriyo munwe manyererio ekera bugari nyanja mana kuna gochire kwetera chibi chamo na mariogi njina koretera Brighton Makori.